By the way, I've been so busy covering all the news, I didn't even tell you that they've reinstated the Alex Jones channel. And I want to thank the tens of thousands of calls. They got over 10,000 calls. I talked to somebody I know separately that works at YouTube, high level, but they can't come on record. We did get emails from them saying, why don't you guys file a federal filing challenging these, because it does look like these may be fake. So last week with Dave that runs the channel, we filed in federal court. That's the level we had to go to, is swear in federal court that it was fake, that it was wrong, and it did turn out that they were fake copyright notices. And now the court's looking into who filed them. But, you know, this is, and folks, I don't think it's going to be up there too long again. They'll just file more criminal deals. I mean, that's what these people do. So we need an evacuation of the Alex Jones channel immediately. There was a lot of subscribers dropped. It was at 40,000, now it's 37,000. Very bizarre. So, but let's make it even bigger. Everybody should subscribe to it while it's still there. Channel views, 2,975,000. I counted up just what it was getting the last week, 2 million, a million the week before that. It was well over 30 million views of the channel. And that's just one channel, but the point is, it was the censorship. It's a very important channel. So I want folks to get this out to everybody. I want people to go and evacuate the 2,000 plus videos. It was a great loss when it was shut down. We couldn't get the videos off of it because you know they're uploaded, they're not on your computer. And it took me over a year for Dave working every day just to upload 2,200 and something videos. We have to evacuate everything off of the Alex Jones channel as if they're going to hit it again. We've been having hack attacks, death threats, everything short of monkeys swinging from chandeliers in here. And so this kind of, and a bunch of other channels have been erased and deleted with our stuff. They're attacking everywhere. So I wouldn't count on that site being there very long. This is the operation. Save that library of material, those interviews, those incredible information. Take the best interviews. You just go pick what you think's most important, going back over the last year and a half, grab it and put it on your channel. And do it fast. Because when they shut it down, we couldn't get any of it off. So evacuate. Now, we'll keep getting more members and beefing it and spreading it while it's there. But my gut tells me, you know, this is going to be over and over again, filing with the federal court, you know, going, okay, you claim copyright, let's go to court. And then, oh, that wasn't real, it was a fake one. That's the kind of crap we're dealing with here, ladies and gentlemen. Is it YouTube doing it? I don't know. Probably not. We have all sorts of dirty tricks going on against us. But anyways, the Alex Jones channel is up for now. Exodus, get the material off, copy it to other video formats, Blip TV, you name it. Get it off of there. In fact, guys, do a search engine for the 10 largest video websites. I know Burma's found one. We need to put up the 10 biggest video websites as good places to upload your stuff to YouTube, because it's the biggest place. That's where the most people are at. But also, Doppelgang, double it, clone it everywhere else. Battle. Put that site up again. Listen, we got millions of listeners, thousands of YouTube account listeners who have YouTube accounts. If all of you just will go in Exodus, 4 or 5 videos out of there, get it off, they at least won't be able to destroy all that data. Okay, YouTube, Dailymotion, MetaCafe, what is that? imeme.com, vids.myspace.com. They censor bad there. Google Video, you can't upload to Google Video anymore. They're shutting that down, as we told you a year ago they would do. Video.msn.com, livevideo.com, Blip TV, blip.tv. Search for video.com. Hit them hard. Those are the coordinates. Smash them. Smash everything in sight with the info war. Bring in our material and start blasting the enemy at point blank range while we've still got an internet to do this. Take this video today of me live at PrisonPlanet.tv. PrisonPlanet.tv members. Rip it to the 4 winds. Let them know. You understand tyranny isn't cute. Tyranny isn't fun. I'm sick of it, man. I can't handle it anymore.